darkness, forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom, the daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to guard you and to guide you.
Say you love me every waking moment. Turn my heart with total summertime. Say you leave me with you now and always. Promise me that all you say is true. That's all I ask of you.
Let me be your shelter, let me be your life. You're safe, no one can find you. Your fears are far behind you. All I want is freedom.
A world with no more night, and you always beside me, to hold me and to hide me.
Then say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you want me with you here, beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. That's all I ask of you.
Share with me one love, one lifetime.
Say the word and I will follow you. Share each day with me, each night, each morning.
Say you love me.
You know I do. Love me, that's all I